So today I'm going to show you guys why this keyboard is better than a normal keyboard. Let me show you why. The first thing I just want to say is here's one reason why it's really good is because it has these back things to like lift it up a bit. And there's a lot of more stuff I'm going to do in the voiceover right now. I'll show you why this computer is good. If you can see right there, the arrow keys are spaced out a little more, which means you can play games like OVO more efficiently. Also, you can't beat the satisfying sound. Although it's wired, it's still pretty good. Also, they have shortcut keys, like the calculator key, a one for your mail, one for some search engine thing, and a computer thingy. They also have one for videos and volume. And just look at this! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to smash the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. Bye!